Hey everyone, so in today's video, we're going to be diving into stoichiometry, specifically how to solve mole-to-mole conversion problems using balanced chemical equations. Now, looking at this first problem, how many moles of water are formed when 3 moles of hydrogen gas react? Well, looking at the chemical formula, 2 moles of H2 will react with 1 mole of O2 to produce 2 moles of H2O. And then we have our mathematical formula below that, and that's moles of our known times moles of unknown over moles of known gives us our moles of unknown. And we need the moles of known on the bottom, that way it can cancel out. And I can show you this right now. So we'll simply plug the numbers in. Our moles of our known is going to be 3 moles of hydrogen gas. So 3 moles of H2 times our moles of our unknown is going to be the 2 moles of H2O over our moles of known is going to be the 2 moles of H2. And here we can see that the 2 H2s will cancel, and we'll simply be left with H2O on the top. And then 3 times 1 is 3 moles of H2O. When we have 3 moles of hydrogen gas react, we produce 3 moles of H2O. Let's try another problem. How many moles of CO2 are produced when 2 moles of CH4 react? Well, once again, we can plug this into the formula. Our known mole is going to be 2 moles of CH4. Our unknown on the top is going to be 1 mole of CO2. Our known mole on the bottom is going to be 1 mole of CH4. We can see here the CH4s will cancel, and 2 times 1 is going to be 2 moles of CH4. I apologize, 2 moles of CO2. The CH4s cancel. We will try one last problem here. Be sure to pause it and try it on your own first. And when you come back, you'll see what the answer is. But for this problem here, same process. Our known mole is going to be 8 moles of iron. So 8 moles of Fe times our unknown on the top is the Fe2O3, which is 2 moles. So 2 moles of Fe2O3 over our known on the bottom is going to be 4 moles of iron. We'll see here that the ions are going to cancel. 8 times 2 over 4 is equal to 4 moles of Fe2O3. So a quick recap. Be sure to start with a balanced equation, and these problems I gave it to you, but your teachers might give you equations which aren't balanced that you have to balance. Next, identify your mole ratio, unknown over known. Use this to convert moles of one substance to another, and always include units. I hope this helped. Thank you.